Hi all, it's Dr. J at 11, streaming live from Long Island, New York, where it's been a delightful weather day and we're expecting more of the same tomorrow. It's been a delightful day in the market for me, for many other people who are invested in the Dow stocks, the FANG stocks, and biotechnology small cap stocks. I think in my biotechnology portfolio today, I had zero green, I believe so. I mean, all green, no red stocks. That is, every one of them were up, and some of them pretty good. So we'll take a look at some of my favorite biotechs and hopefully some of yours. We're going to look today at CVM, which was actually down a little bit. We're going to look at athx Medical, which was up nicely, athx, which eked out a little gain. And I don't know, we'll take a look at one or two more if we have time. So let's get started. Of course, do your own due diligence. I don't have to tell you that my opinions are my own. I don't get info from anyone other than myself. And my opinions do not constitute investment advice. You can follow Dr. J if you like, but it's at your own risk. Sometimes Dr. J does have some good ideas. So let's get going. Oh, one other thing, if you like this video, please subscribe, please share the link, please write comments, please like us. Let's get going. I'm going to share screen. I see that we have 3 viewers. I want to say a shout out to those viewers who are with me live. And I'd love to see some comments at the end of this video that I will read live. Okay, for now, we're going back to sharing screen. And there we go. Let's start with athx. Athx, if you recall, has been flirting with this 210 line. I said we need to put some separation in. Well, today was another day in which we didn't get that separation. A low of 208, a high of 216, a close of 213, up 2 pennies. So on the day we were up nearly 1%. Who can complain? Well, I can, because I want to get a clear break of that 210 line. I'll feel much better. Okay, the fundamentals, of course, I think very strong here. There was a discussion that the CEO Gil Van Broekelen had earlier today at the Mesa, dealing with Japanese in collaborations and Japanese biotech. So of course, athx is partnered with Helios KK, a Japanese company. And he always presents himself beautifully. Okay, CVM. CVM has been a phenomenal star in the biotech space, coming up from just pennies not that long ago to close today at 408, down 4 pennies. It's still in good shape, even if it follows this lower ascending line. That's fine. If it starts following this descending path, that would be less fine. But for now, there's no reason to think that. For now, it looks like it's solidly in this funnel, or whatever you want to call it. This rising, delightful chart. How's that? Okay, so CVM still looks quite juicy. athx Medical. We've spoken about the fundamentals on a number of occasions of athx Medical, which has a drug in the war against melanoma cancer. And that, of course, is one of the most fatal cancers. And they're hooked up with a collaboration with Merck called Pisces. We've spoken about that. If this drug pans out, it will make Keytruda more effective in the fight against cancer. All right, so anyway, Keytruda is a Merck drug. So let's take a look at the chart. It's hitting both trend lines, quite a few touches. It looks like it's trying to break clear of the lower descending triangle, which it ought to do, because this whole period here, going all the way back to last year, I believe is a giant period of consolidation with solid support at about $1.33. So in my estimation, maybe it continues a bit longer and then busts out to the upside. So I think Oncosec Medical did a little of that today, up 10 cents, sticking its part of its body and part of it and its upper tail above the trend line. So Oncosec Medical is looking good. Again, I'd like to get a nice rally here that takes us to this trend line up around $1.80. That would be my hope for Oncosec Medical in the short term. CYTK, this has been an up and down stock, up and down, because when it goes down, it really knows how, as it illustrated 2 days ago. But it seems to have bottomed out with a tiny little doji the next day and had a solid performance today, up 36 cents to 9.29. We said a couple of days ago that it has to make a clean break of this $10 mark and take out the 10.26 mark, and then it's off to the races. So cytokinetics is one that we're quite high on. So that's about all I have to say for this particular report. Let's stop sharing, see if anybody wrote any comments, which I'll read to you if they did. These comments are from the chat, so I have to go back to the original Hangout on the air. And I have 3 viewers still, but nobody wrote anything. Last chance to say hi to everyone. Want to just say hi? Come on. We got shy viewers. All right, so this is Dr. J at 11, bidding you farewell, hoping that you have excellent trading days ahead. And I will be back with a second biotechnology stock roundup in a few minutes. Bye-bye.